dancing doll. Kids, we all play with dolls. Let's make a dancing doll. Cut strips out of given paper. Punch a hole at the both ends of all the strips. Paste 4 strips on each other from one end as shown. Make a doll and paste it on a stick. Paste the other ends to make sphere shape as shown. Paste the stick through the hole and fix it on the top. Now, spin the stick and you will see your dancing doll. Your dancing doll is ready.